Now, little word about these pumps. They're advertised as 12 to 18 volt pumps, where I got it. When I actually received it, it says 6 to 12 volts DC, and being a DC pump, I know you can tolerate voltage change for a while, so that's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna run it on 18 volts. It says 1000 liters per hour. I don't know, I didn't test, and I'm not bothered with that. It's a very important thing for me is that can lift water up to upstairs windows. It's a very simple pump. It sits in like this, so submerged in water, pulls the water in down here where the impeller is, and shoots it up this little tube, and that's 12 mil or ½ inch, and you just put ½ inch hose on that and shoots it up. Cable is about 4 foot long. You've got 3 wires, and apparently yellow one is not connected anywhere, so you got red and blue, which is red is plus, blue is minus, and that's how you connect it. Simple. So yeah, it's small. Look how small is that. That's overall it's about 4 inches, 105 10 mil, and it's about 30 mil one way and about 25 mil 30 mil other way. It's really small pump. See that? Light as well, and cheap. I think it was like 6-7 quid. Now the water has been filtered. The next step is how are we going to propel the water up to the upstairs windows. So I got to test this very cheap submersible 12 volt pump. It's got ½ inch outlet, 12 mil, and I also got some 12 mil tubing. So I don't even know how it's going to work or not. So is the tubing, and I'm just going to poke it back in the bucket just to try it. And I got the volt battery, and I believe it's these two, plus and minus. So I'm just going to poke it, if I can see that right. I think it's there. It's plus. Oops. Well, that's all right. So pump works, and it will work with 18 volts. How long, I don't know. We'll have to test that as well. But being a very cheap pump, it's only about £6, I think it was, or £7, £6.99 or something like that. I'm just going to drain this water. Now the question is, can that pump lift water to this 5 meter hose, which is 5 meters height, water height, which will give you about, which will need to be about ½ bar pressure to lift it up. So I'm going to suspend this hose upstairs, and then we're going to test it. So this is a real scientific experiment now. Pay attention. You got a pump, you got a hose, goes all the way up to upstairs window. And if you did wonder how I fixed it to the glass, is with the help of sticky tape. Joking. Right, got a battery ready, pump is ready, So let's try to get camera if it can. See that window there? Right, let me try to zoom that in. Okay, let's see if this pump can lift water that high. Lifting. Well, it can. Definitely. So let's try again. You can hear the pump. That's cool. So it's a proof this little pump can lift water that high, 5 meters high, 5-meter hose, no problem. Of 18-volt battery. Brilliant. Okay. So now, next step will be to put it all together with long pole window brush, our purified water, battery, switch, the lot. My friends, stay tuned, more is coming.